Hi, today in this video I'm going to be showing you what I use on my daily routine for my makeup. It's really simple and easy, and just stay tuned to see how it goes. So the first thing I do, right now I haven't had my eyebrows done in over probably a year. So what I like to do is brush them up, and I have my mirror down here that I'm going to be looking at so I can make sure I'm doing everything correct. First thing I do, I have a little brush, and I just brush my eyebrows. Try to brush them as best I can in the way that I want them to go, the direction I want them to go. Just because you haven't had your eyebrows done in a long time doesn't mean you can't make them look good. So try to brush them up so they're all even. And then what I do is take the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition. You know what? No, wait, I forgot something. So this is super small. I've been using this for a long time too. Pretty much use any kind of eyebrow pencil, whatever you feel like you need to fill in your eyebrows. That's what I'm going to do with this. Fill in my eyebrows so that they can look neater. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Fill in my eyebrows. And you just kind of fill them in, not too dark, how you want them to look. Okay. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, because whose eyebrows are perfect. Even when you get them done, one looks different than the other. So it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you fill it in how you want. And then grab the concealer and just this small brush. Take a little of the concealer, squeeze a little bit up, and then you put a little bit on the brush, and then you're just gonna, you know how you're kids when you outline, and then you color them with a pencil, or you outline with a marker and you color them with a pencil. It's kind of like what you do with your eyebrows. You fill them in and then you outline it with concealer. And this is just what I do like on an everyday when I'm just going out for the day to go grocery shopping, or sometimes on the weekends I'll do this. Like I said, it's just an everyday kind of makeup routine for anywhere. Kind of like a makeup, don't makeup. You just want to look natural, or just put together for work, or whatever you have to do for the day. And what I like most about this is that the products that I use are very inexpensive. They're not expensive at all. And especially when you're using it for every day, you don't want to buy something that's super expensive because you're using it every day. So that means it's going to run out faster. So you want to be frugal. So next, after I finish my eyebrows, look pretty good. Look how you want it to look. I'm gonna go in with my Dewy and Smooth by Maybelline New York Fit Me, and this is the shade 355 Coconut. I really like this too. Works really good, like I said, for every day. And what I do is just put a little bit on my hand here. And I'm using this little Bungalow, kind of like a, it's like a sponge. My sister bought me. It works really good. It's cool because it's like silicone sponge almost, and it goes really smooth over your face to put your makeup on. So that's what I'm using to apply the foundation. I'm just kind of applying it all over right here. This little mark from a pimple that I had on my face. I guess you could cover that too with concealer if you wanted to. And I probably will in just a second. I can show you how that works. With pimples, like I said, you just want to look presentable. And not too much, just kind of little imperfections so you can make a smooth, how about a smooth look? Chin. And it even has like a little space where if you want to get under your eyes. So I have a little bit more under my eyes. And this is one of my favorite looks because it only takes like, what, 10 minutes, 15 max to do every day when you're in a rush with the kids. You're in a rush to go to work, you're in a rush to go to church. You can just do this really quickly, and that's why I really like doing this every day, because it works for me. And you can just tweak it and make it work for you. I watch so many different beauty videos, but what I like about watching beauty videos is that you can take one from this video, one from this video, and make it your own. And that's what I've done. From all the beauty videos that I watch, I take, oh, I like that. Oh, I like that too. And then just kind of combine them all and make it your own. Okay. Now for this pimple mark, I'm going to take the concealer. I'm gonna cover it up a little. I'm gonna use the brush I did my eyebrows with. I'm just gonna cover it a dab it a little. Kind of spears. And next I have, this is LA Colors mascara, bold lash mascara. Once again, you can find these at pretty much any store, any Walgreens, Family Dollar, probably Dollar Tree, Walmart. Find them pretty much anywhere. And that's what the brush looks like. I'm just gonna apply it to my lashes. So you get the desired look. And then out of all my favorite beauty products, I would say that lipsticks are my favorite. I really don't get into eyeshadows that much. I do every now and then, but I really kind of stick with like neutrals for my eyes. And lipsticks are my favorite. So I'm gonna try one of these today. I got both of these. These are the Rue RK by Kiss matte lipsticks. Matte's one of my favorite lipsticks. So I'm gonna try the Great Fit. I'm gonna open it. This is my first time using it. Opening it now. And I got this at my local Family Dollar and it was under $2. You can find gems in your local stores that are close around you, or even Walmart even, when they have good deals. They have good quality. You wouldn't think so, but I guess we're gonna try it today, see, before I even get into it. But I've gotten stuff from there before and it works pretty good. So this is what it looks like. Sorry if it's blurry. And it's a great fit. I'm just gonna kind of add my to dry them off a little bit and then apply it. First impression, it is going on really good. I really like this color. It's a pretty color. And it works really good. Really surprised and really happy with the color and how it looks on my lips. And like, it goes on pretty smooth. Not bad for Family Dollar. And like I said, under $2. You can always find stuff that is inexpensive. If you see something you like, always just try it. It's not gonna hurt to try, especially when it's under $2. So like I said, this is Great Fit by RK by Kiss matte lipstick. So this is my look. I hope that you all liked it. I hope that you all can take some tips and tricks for yourselves to do for your own makeup looks or get ready with me. So thank you for getting ready with me today. Have a good day, and I pray that you stay safe.